guys, I just want to do a little introduction and get you started into using my digital planner. The first thing that you need to know is just what you need to be able to use the planner. First is going to be your iPad or a tablet. I would prefer that you use an iPad just because I have tested everything with an iPad, an Apple Pencil, and Goodnotes 5, this app here that you can see in the top left-hand corner. And it's the best way to go about it just because the digital planner is optimized for Goodnotes. However, you can use it with Notability or NoteShelf and Zoto as well, I believe. You can use it on other tablets or Android devices. It's just that I know it will work on an iPad in Goodnotes because it's optimized for that. If you don't have an iPad or a tablet, you can also use it on your Mac. You can get the Goodnotes app on your Mac, and the functionality is a little bit different, but it's still usable. Instead of writing notes or drawing, you will be using the text features. It's harder to draw with the mouse instead of an Apple Pencil, but it still totally works and the functionality is the same. The Goodnotes app here, this is what it looks like when you open it. It's Goodnotes 5, and I believe that it's under $10 right now. I'm not sure exactly how much it is, but those are the three things that you'll need: a tablet, a stylus, and a Goodnotes app or a note-taking app that's similar.